Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. In the animal world, alpha males rule the pack. They get to eat first, get laid more, and get to dominate the others. Pretty nice deal, right? In the human world, it's rather different. We tend to think the alpha males are the leading actors, football stars, or billionaire businessmen. Well, let me break it to you. That's total bullshit. You see, it takes more than success in your field and money to be an alpha. I mean, just look around you. There are more pussy billionaires, beta male sports stars, and girly pop singers than there are grains of sand in the Sahara. These fools are no alpha males by any stretch of the imagination. And you know what? It gets worse. The amount of misinformation out there about alpha males is pretty staggering. Take, for instance, the never-ending stream of dating advice crap peddled by those pickup artists. Fact is, most of these PUAs don't know jack shit about being alpha. Pickup artists say that to be an alpha male, you must have more money than the average guy, be good looking, seduce women with crap pickup lines and even crappier opener routines, dress nicely, behave gentlemanly. Fuck all that bullshit. The truth is that being alpha male is a far more complex matter. It's something that only men who have intelligence and courage can aspire to be. And yet, at the same time, it's so very simple to achieve, if you know how. Do you want to know how? Of course you do. In this video, you will learn the characteristics of an alpha male and how you can be one yourself. Before we start, however, could you do me a huge favor? Could you help me out by clicking the like button? You will click like because that will encourage me to produce even more of these videos for you. Click like now while I wait here. Clicked like? Thank you. Let's start now. Now listen to me carefully because I'm about to tell you a truth that is hiding in plain sight. Being an alpha male is simply a choice. Anyone can be an alpha male. You hear me? Anyone. It's true. All it takes are the right skills, mindset, and techniques. And once you acquired the skills, the payoff is huge. Being an alpha male is the key to opening a world of mental, sexual, and physical ecstasy. Simply, it is the pathway to becoming a woman's sexual and emotional dream man. Amazing, right? Make no mistake, alpha males are a rare breed. And you already know that the benefits are huge. Respect from other men, more attention from women, an exciting, adventurous, and satisfying sexual life, a better social position, a better job for better money, being seen as a leader, influencer, and authority by all around you. Sounds good, right? But there's more. Alpha male can control, dominate, and get women to submit to them instantly. Women are psychologically programmed to follow alpha males. They are automatically attracted to them and they don't even have a choice about it. Question is, are you one of these alpha male types or are you a beta male? Let's find out. Here are the top 10 traits of a beta male. 1. Seeks approval from women, often subconsciously. 2. Chooses to say something that will not hurt a woman's feelings rather than speaking his mind. 3. Tells a woman how he feels about her, laying the cards out on the table, hoping she will like him back. 4. Likes easy fixes like magic pickup lines, routines, and other pickup artist tripe. 5. Keeps score in a relationship. It's tit for tat all the time. 6. Does not behave sexually. Tries to be chummy to women while hoping to bed them. 7. Holds grudges. Thinks women owe him something. 8. Is afraid of conflict. Prefers to chicken out than to tackle situations head on. 9. Is not comfortable being himself. He'd rather put on a front and be someone else. 10. Feels guilty for absolutely no reason at all. Feel sick already? Me too. And you know what? These are the guys who fail in relationships, fail at sex, and ultimately fail in life. Pretty sad, right? But if you think you have some of these beta male traits, don't worry, because I'm about to tell you how to get rid of any beta in you, for good and forever. In fact, you can make the switch right now by embracing these 5 alpha male characteristics. The true alpha: 1. Manipulates the emotions of a woman to his own benefit. 2. Makes a woman submit to his brutal mental game without them even noticing it. 3. Enslaves women's minds at will. 4. Controls and drives her emotions as he pleases. 5. Makes women fall in love with him instantly. The alpha male gets women to do what he wants, when he wants it, subconsciously and repeatedly. Tell me now, what do you prefer to be? Fucking no-brainer, right? Here's the deal. The truth is that everything in life is a matter of choice. Same goes for being an alpha male. You've got to start now by choosing to do the right thing today. Look, I don't know what your situation is. Maybe you're someone who is lost, but is willing to change for the better. And if so, you have so much success to look forward to that your buddies will soon turn green with envy. It's true. But if you are already successful or think you are, trust me, you are just getting started and the road is long. Either way, what I know will turn you into a mental manipulation master. So, alpha or beta, what do you choose? If alpha it is, sign up for this online masterclass on how to control and enslave a woman's mind like a true alpha male. As an alpha male, I expect you to commit to learning everything inside this action-packed masterclass. Are you up for it? Good. A link will now appear in the video. Click the link and unleash the alpha male in you right now by joining the online masterclass on mind control.